channel, your channel, our channel, Leading Sunrise. At eto na ang pinakahihintay ng lahat, ang grand opening ng Christmas tree dito sa may Evergrotesco Commonwealth. Kaya naman, samahan niyo ako hanggang sa huli ng ating video para manood ng kanilang Christmas lighting. So bago nag-start ang program, umulan muna. Kaya naman ang lahat ay nabasa muna, nag-bless muna at saka na natuloy nung wala ng ulan. Tamang-tama lang at hindi siya mainit, tama lang yung lamig. Kaya naman ngayon ay parating na ang mga tao at yung ating mga bisita sa Christmas lighting ay dumating na rin.
I can see and I can feel everyone's excitement as we gather here tonight to celebrate the most magical time of the year, the season of joy, hope, and togetherness. At sa gabi po ito, we have prepared a lot of performances and surprises just for you, so please make sure to stay until the end of the program as we witness the lighting of our Christmas display. Excited na po ba tayo? Pero bago tayo mag-patuloy, can you please take time to greet the person beside you, the person sa unahan sa ninyo na Merry Christmas, na may ngiti, na may excitement, punong-puno ng saya. Everyone say Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas po sa inyo! Yan! But before we light up our Christmas display sa gabi ito, we would like to call on stage the corporate. A big round of applause for our Share Joy campaign! For everyone's knowledge, Barangay Payatas is the top community of Ever Commonwealth na lagi mong sumusuporta, bumibisita, at nagsusupport po sa atin, dumadalaw dito sa Ever Commonwealth, nagsha-shopping sa mall.
At ngayon naman ay magpe-perform si Santa Claus at kasamaan ang kanyang mga dwarf. So hindi ko na pinarinig yung song para hindi tayo makopyright. At ayun nga, nandito rin yung reindeer ni Santa at kasama si Olaf. At ngayon naman ay magpe-perform ang mga Nutcracker to the tune of Last Christmas. Kasama rin nila ang mga fairies ng Pasko. They sings Winter Wonderland. At syempre hinandugan tayo ng isang song to the tune of Tuloy-Tuloy Pa Rin Ang Pasko.
A powerhouse lineup of talented young stars and one of the most promising group in the Filipino hip-hop scene. Are you ready? Make some noise for One Verse! What's up? What's up, everyone? If you know this song, sing with us, guys. Every Commonwealth, give it up for Mr. Jed Madera!
At binigyan pa tayo ng ilang awitin na pang Pasko ni Jed Madela. At dito naman kinanta niya ang Hark the Herald Angels Sing.
Tonight, okay lang mag-clear? Kapag yung microphone ko hindi okay. But I hope you guys are having a great time. Of course, sa lahat ng bumubuo ng Ever Commonwealth, on behalf of everybody, we would like to greet each and every one of you a very Merry Christmas. Handa na ba kayo sa Pasko? Yes! Dapat handang-handa na tayo. Of course, we're here with our loved ones and our close friends and family, di ba? And that's what makes Christmas worth celebrating, di ba? So this next song is a classic. Sana magustuhan ninyo. This one's called A Perfect Christmas para sa lahat ng mga nandito ngayon.
And Jed Madela sings Perfect Christmas. At dito naman inawit niya ang Christmas list.
Always remember the reason why we are celebrating the season, alright? May nag-birthday. Tama? Tama, kids? May nag-birthday, di ba, sa Christmas? And of course, it started out a long, long time ago in Bethlehem. There was this kid, di ba? And now we are celebrating it. Kaya, I'd like to leave you with a song. Isa sa mga classics na ginawa ni National Artist for Music, Maestro Ryan Cayabyab, para sa nagsa-celebrate ng kanyang birthday. Hope you enjoy this one. Another big round of applause for Filipino pride, world-class performer, Serge. Merry Christmas. Thank you for being here tonight. Just to ask you one question about Christmas. What excites you the most during Christmas season? Anong pinaka-excited ka sa Christmas? Sa totoo lang, whenever we speak of Christmas, it's time with loved ones, with my family. Umuwi ako sa probinsya, sa Iloilo, taga Iloilo ako. May mga Ilonggo din eh. Ano ba ako Ilonggo din eh? Paano nyo nalaman na Ilonggo ako? Yeah, but anyway, I just wanna always remind people that Christmas is not about, celebrating with gifts and so many food and, the festivities, but of course, sharing the love with our families and our loved ones. Kaya yun talaga ang talagang lagi ko nilook forward, spending time with my family. Definitely, ang kagaya po yun ang ginagawa ng ating Evercada sa gabing ito with you for our grand Christmas tree lighting. Kaya maraming salamat po, Mr. Jed. Thank you so much. Now, we are
At sana humabot ka dito sa dulo ng ating video. It's time for picture picture. At syempre, picture with the whole cast. So hanggang sa muli, bye for now guys! Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell para updated kayo sa ating mga videos. Thank you for watching!